Mastering the art of vehicles overtaking. Take your vehicle overtaking skills to the next level with our advanced techniques and insider tips. Episode 2 of our series dives deep into mastering the art of overtaking. Learn how to safely and confidently pass other vehicles on the road. 1. Understanding vehicle dynamics. Learn how different vehicles behave during overtaking maneuvers and how to predict their movements. 2. Advanced observation techniques. Discover how to read the road ahead and anticipate potential obstacles or hazards. 3. The art of timing. Master the timing of your vehicle overtaking maneuvers to maximize safety and efficiency. 4. Advanced mirror usage. Learn how to use your vehicle's mirrors effectively to assess traffic and plan overtaking maneuvers. 5. Speed management. Understand the importance of managing your speed during vehicle overtaking and how it affects safety. 6. The psychology of overtaking. Explore the psychology behind vehicle overtaking and how it influences driver behavior. 7. Dealing with tailgaters. Discover strategies for handling tailgaters safely during vehicle overtaking maneuvers. 8. Overtaking on curves and hills. Learn how to safely overtake on challenging road conditions. 9. Legal and ethical considerations. Understand the legal and ethical aspects of vehicle overtaking and how to stay within the law. 10. Advanced lane positioning. Master the art of lane positioning to optimize visibility and safety during vehicle overtaking. 11. The role of technology. Explore how modern technology can assist in safe vehicle overtaking maneuvers. 12. Environmental factors. Learn how weather conditions and road surfaces can affect vehicle overtaking and how to adapt. 13. Overtaking in urban areas. Discover the unique challenges and strategies for vehicle overtaking in city environments. 14. Nighttime overtaking. Understand the additional challenges of vehicle overtaking at night and how to mitigate risks. 15. Emergency overtaking maneuvers. Prepare for unexpected situations with advanced emergency vehicle overtaking techniques. With these advanced techniques and insider tips, you will be equipped to master the art of vehicle overtaking and navigate the roads with confidence and safety. Stay tuned for more episodes in our series, where we'll continue to explore the fascinating world of driving.